In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to view your total Steam hours played for any game in your library. Whether you're curious about how many days of your life you've spent in your favorite open-world RPG, or you're trying to track your competitive progress in a first-person shooter, knowing your exact playtime is essential for any PC gamer. This method is the official, built-in way to check your stats directly within the Steam client without needing any third-party websites or external tools. If this video helps you out today, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with more tech tips. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to open the Steam application on your computer and make sure you are logged into your account. Once the application is open, look at the top menu bar where you see options like Store, Library, Community, and your profile name. You want to click on Library, located at the top of the interface. This will bring up your entire collection of games on the left-hand sidebar. From here, browse through your list and select a game that you want to check the stats for. Once you click on a game title, the main dashboard for that specific game will load in the center of your screen. Look towards the top right side of the interface, right next to the big blue play button. Here, you will see a section labeled Playtime. This section displays your total hours played since you first added the game to your account. It will also show you your recent activity from the past 2 weeks. If you want to see the total hours for a different game, simply go back to your list on the left and repeat the process for other games to see their playtime. It is that simple. You can go through your entire catalog this way to see which games have been taking up most of your time. This information is updated in real time every time you close a game session, so it is always accurate. Knowing your playtime can also help you manage your gaming habits or even help you decide if a game was worth the purchase based on the hours of entertainment you received. If you have been having any issues with Steam or want to see more advanced statistics, I will be covering those in future videos. And that is it. You now know exactly how to view your total Steam hours played for any title in your library. If this video helped, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.